How you guys doing today? Welcome to CMAR. Crypto is my retirement. This is your host, King Harry III. This is you watching me on my journey to $10 million. If you're watching this today, this is not financial advice. I am not your financial advisor. I'm just on my way to $10 million, you heard? So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, join my Patreon, join my Telegram, join my community. Crypto is my retirement. It should be yours as well. So today we're going to talk about this bloodbath that's been going on. I'm not going to say ultimately a bloodbath, but we have took a substantial dip. Bitcoin was reaching towards $70,000 and it's currently down 6.4%. It was down today around $58,000. And we took a nice little pullback, and the entire market is taking a pullback as well. Stable coins are rising. So this is a sign that we possibly could be going down a little bit. Now, I was actually trying to search on some news on what's going on. And here goes an article by Yahoo Finance. They're saying why the price of Bitcoin is falling, according to, let me pause that, according to CoinDesk. So CoinDesk global market editor, he said Bitcoin's recent price drop off after last week's record high taproot upgrades. China's cracking down on cryptocurrency mining and the intention to build an MC in metaverse. So last week, Facebook broke the news about changing Facebook into metaverse, where they're going to have the virtual reality. Everything's going to be saying, I know, guys, we have vision. We already seen this coming. If you have been in my previous videos, we already know what's going to happen to the future. Everything's going to be tokenized. Stocks going to be tokenized. Commodities going to be tokenized. Everything's going to be tokenized. And it's going to get to the point where the metaverse possibly going to have an opening for jobs. So imagine that in-person jobs are shutting down and people are finding it's not attractive to work these minimum wage jobs, but you can put on this virtual reality and it's a different type of experience. Possibly like the gig economy. What if we did gig jobs inside of the metaverse? I talk all day about this. So let's finish reading this article. So crypto prices crashed overnight, wiping over $400 billion in market cap. That's after reaching $3 trillion just above a short week ago. We want to break down all the previous moves. CoinDesk Global micro editor Emily seemed like a week ago, 2 weeks ago, with their record highs, and now is trading briefly below 60,000. So Bitcoin did fall. Do I think the bull run's over? No, the bull run is not over with. I think this is just another opportunity for you guys to buy the dips. I think we're going to pass $70,000 Bitcoin. My opinion, we might touch 100K. We might touch 100K this year. That's a huge reach. But it's definitely in the cards of the future. Now, as we check out the charts right here, now Bitcoin is definitely we have 2 more hours on this day chart, and we hit a low as $58,000, and it's slowly creeping back up. And if we had a tremendous run all the way from, let's say, July 20th all the way to November. So we had a nice brief little run, and it needs to cool off a little bit before it reach a higher high. Now, this was something very interesting to me. Now, everybody knows about the token called HEX, and HEX has definitely dumped, and it dumped tremendously. But what other coins that don't dump? We always have a retracement with HEX that's around 65%, and this token has reached about 65 to 70% from all-time high. Now, if we look at this right now, I think something that's very similar. So I remember when Bitcoin had this run up right here in the earlier part of the year. We got a run up, down, run up, down, run up, down, and it just crashed. And it was crazy how HEX was just doing this outstanding run up, and then we got a run up, down, and then we crashed. And now it's up. So, usually when HEX goes up, Bitcoin goes down, Bitcoin goes up. HEX goes down. That's usually the sentiment when I see it. When the market goes down, people are stuffing their money in HEX. People are locking up their value. And it looks like HEX has actually been going down. Let's see where HEX is at right now. But it's no sweat. See, 21 cent. We did have a recent quick run up. As you can see, okay, it pumped a little 1%. Okay. So we had a quick run up on HEX. It was yesterday, actually on the 12th and on the 11th. And for the last couple of days, we've just been dipping a little bit. So I could see a green candle in the future. But it's just very interesting on how this is pulling back. So let's like, what if HEX and Bitcoin is playing a similar chart pattern, right? I'm just, I'm not a TA guy. I'm not the best at this, but we're in a speculative market. Technical analysis does work in cryptocurrency, but common sense does as well. You can make millions with common sense. You really can. So this is a Bitcoin chart. It had a huge correction down, and it popped back up. So it popped up a little bit, went back down, and then it went on this journey. So when I was looking at the charts, it reminded me of this, like popped, went up, and it popped back down. So what if, let's see, let's zoom in right here. It's just something different. It's just something different. This is something different. So what if we're at this? What if we're at this right here? We pop back down, pop back down, consolidate a little bit, and then we're off. What if it pops down? Let's see. What if it pops down? Consolidate, then we're out of here. Boom, 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 boom. No, that's a possibility. It really is. That's definitely a possibility. I can see early December HEX is running back up. I can see $1 HEX by the end of the year, possibly 60, 70 cents by the end of the year. That's what I'm suggesting. We're almost through in November and we haven't even topped off yet, but alt season is still not done yet. There's still coins that haven't reached all-time high. XRP hasn't hit all-time high. Monero hasn't hit all-time high. There's a lot of coins that haven't hit all-time high yet. So, and we're going to get a little quick update with XRDOGE. XRDOGE is, consolidating. This is an accumulation period, ever since the day of BitTrue, it pretty much has been going down ever since then. The Stone investor, man, he got some balls, man, to actually sell the day that he sold because he's still in tremendous profit from that day. So that was a hell of a call from that guy. But hey, crypto, it's a solo sport. You make your own decisions. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy on my way to $10 million, no matter what. So, make sure you guys check out the music. Make sure you say, Siri, play Apple Music, play Black Out Crypto. The music is out here. This is one of our hottest songs right here. I love this song, man. I really do. Y'all really need to support this channel, support this music. Crypto is my retirement. Y'all have a good day.
I want to be free, so I just buy crypto. I want some love, just buy some crypto. I want to be free, so I just buy crypto. I want some just buy some crypto. Just buy some crypto.